Hello everyone, welcome back to 5-day flexibility challenge. Today is our last day 5 where we're working on our neck and shoulders. So if you're sitting a lot at your desk, give this class a go and let me know what you think. So for this class you will need 2 yoga blocks or maybe something like a stool and a nice soft mat. So when you're ready, let's begin. We're going to begin with the neck. I want you to extend your fist to the side like this and reaching away. So arms are engaged. Bring the chin to the chest and begin with a circle all the way around. Shoulders are down. And change. Nice and slow. Last one. Beautiful, gaze forward, shake it out. And let's bring the left fingertips down and take a big stretch for your side. Okay, stretching your lats as well. And relax your head. Okay, from here I want you to bring your hand back, keep your head relaxed and reach away. And again, over and reach away. 2 more. And reach away. Last one. And reach. Rising up. Nice and slow. Other side. Take a side bend. Head is relaxed. And reach. Maybe you need to move your neck to feel a little bit more stretch or maybe in different area of your neck. So moving your neck is okay. Just be very gentle. Over. And extend. Over. And extend. Over. And extend. And rise up. Beautiful. Reach your hands towards the sky. Exhale. Relax. Okay, let's come facing the short edge of your mat. Bring your hands under your shoulders and we're going to do our shoulder circles. Okay, so around. Okay, so just intuitively making circles. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sit back. For the next exercise, we're going to need either 2 yoga blocks or a stool. So place your blocks in front of you. And we're going to keep the elbows straight, walk your knees back. And melt your chest down, okay? Now, I don't want you to arch your lower back, okay? Engage your core. So your lower back is nice and flat. And now I'm going to try to relax into my shoulder stretch. Maybe my bringing forehead down. We have 3 more breaths. Pressing your hands into your blocks. And press to come back. Very nice. Shake it out if you need. And we're going to do round 2. So go ahead, use your blocks again. Or I'll show you how I use my stool. It's very simple, very similar. Okay, so on my hands on elevated surface like this, walking my hands back, and I'm trying to bring my head in between my hands, my arms. Okay, and again, my lower back is not collapsing down like this. My lower back, okay, is flat, so my lower belly is engaged. What we're trying to do, we're trying to isolate the stretch in our shoulders and not just use our flexibility of upper back and lower back. Beautiful. We have 3 more breaths. And slowly press into your hands to come back. Very good. For next exercise, we're going to come on our bellies. Okay, so my feet are hip width apart. I'm going to bring my hands just below my forehead, palms facing down. I'm gonna inhale, open the hands to the side. Okay, so we're not lifting too high. You're looking down towards your mat. Then reaching behind very slowly. Crossing your hands and come back. Okay, engage your legs, your glutes, and come back. Okay, if you want harder variation, forehead down and arms straight. Okay, so let's try like this. We're doing 6 in total. To choose the variation you want for today. Okay, that's 2. So you see, I'm not rushing in the movement. I'm doing really slow. Okay, 3 more. Glutes are squeezing, feet pressing into the mat. Okay, these should feel really hard. Okay, we have 1 more. Okay, just doing your best. Up, around. Very good. Slide your hands under and just take an easy child's pose. Okay, our last exercise, our last stretch is going to be on our back. So swing your legs in front and come onto your back. Okay, we're going to come onto our side. Okay, so knees are on top of each other. Right shoulder is down, right ear is down, and my palms are touching. And we're going to try to open the hands like a book, keeping the right shoulder down and trying to touch left shoulder to the ground. Okay, so watch your knee as well. Make sure this is not happening, okay? Keep the knees stacked. It's okay if your left shoulder doesn't touch the ground, okay? Keep the knees touching, okay? Let's try again. Doing 5. 4. 3. 2. And last one. Hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Let's do other side. Okay, coming onto your left side, knees stacking, shoulders, left shoulder is down and opening out like a book. We're doing 6 in total. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hold here. Sorry, hold here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Very good. Now let's come on your belly one more time. We're going to extend left arm to the side and come onto your left side. Or you can also bring the right leg behind you. Let's take 3 breaths here. And come back onto the belly. Okay, other side. Okay, my hand in line with my shoulder, so I'm not low on diagonal. I'm in line with my shoulder. And coming onto the side. Okay, so stay here, that's totally good. Feeling the stretch in the front of the shoulder or taking the leg behind you. Just hold a few more breaths. You're doing great. And also want to say well done everyone for completing all 5 days. If you need to repeat this challenge, start day 1 and you can make for yourself a whole month challenge. And release it down. Slowly coming back, hands under your shoulders and pressing back. Well done everyone who completed 5 days. And if you didn't, don't worry, you can come back anytime. This 5 days gonna stay on my channel, so come back anytime it suits you and your work schedule, your lifestyle. And I hope to see you in my other videos as well.